Today, we've got something big, the brand new OnePlus 13, currently released only in China. It's expected to go global soon. If you've been following the leaks and rumors, you know there's been plenty of hype. So let's dive into the unboxing and see how much of it holds up. First impressions, the design is fresh. Unlike previous models, the camera module is now a standalone circular setup with a sleek horizontal stripe across the back, definitely a unique look. OnePlus also moved the Hasselblad logo out of the camera unit, giving it a clean, premium vibe. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're into this new design. Another big shift is that the display is now flat, with no curved edges. For OnePlus fans, this might be a bold move, considering the curve has been a staple since the OnePlus 7 Pro. Still, a flat display is practical, especially for gaming and videos. And in terms of durability, OnePlus nailed it. The OnePlus 13 is IP68 and IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. Plus, there's an IR blaster, a nostalgic touch that lets you control TVs and other devices. You'll also find stereo speakers, 4 microphones, an upgraded bionic vibration motor for improved haptics, and, of course, the iconic alert slider. The USB 3.1 Gen 1 port on the bottom also supports faster data transfers. Display-wise, OnePlus has packed in a massive 6.82-inch Quad HD plus 8 LTPO OLED display, with an insane peak brightness of 4,500 nits, paired with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support. This screen is built to impress, especially for content streaming. And yes, the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is still here for fast unlocking. Now, under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It's designed to handle anything, from heavy gaming to multitasking. Worried about overheating? OnePlus has included an upgraded cooling system with a 13.4% larger heat dissipation area, so it should stay cool even during long gaming sessions. Let's talk battery. OnePlus bumped it up from last year's 5,400 mAh to 6,000 mAh this year, and with 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. This phone is not only built to last, but also quick to charge. Camera-wise, the OnePlus 13 has a triple setup, a 50MP main sensor from Sony, a 50MP ultrawide that doubles as a macro lens, and a 50MP periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Video lovers, you're covered with 8K at 30 frames per second from the rear cameras and 4K at 60 frames per second for selfies. This model runs on ColorOS 15 in China, but expect OxygenOS 15 on the global model. Pricing starts around $660, with the top-tier model hitting $840. For all the upgrades, this premium flagship holds its ground in performance, display, and battery life. That's all for now. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. See you in the next video. Peace out.